Welcome viewers to the documentary The Science of Mindfulness, Understanding How It Affects the Brain. Mindfulness has become a popular topic in recent years, and for good reason. It has been shown to have a profound impact on mental and physical health, and it is now being studied by scientists and researchers all over the world. But what exactly is mindfulness? Simply put, mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment with an attitude of openness and non-judgment. It involves focusing on our thoughts, feelings, and sensations in the present moment, without distraction or attachment. In this documentary, we will explore the science behind mindfulness and how it affects the brain. We will discuss the latest research on mindfulness and its impact on mental and physical health, and we will provide tips and techniques for incorporating mindfulness into daily life. So sit back, relax, and join us on this journey into the fascinating world of mindfulness. Mindfulness has been shown to offer numerous benefits, both for mental and physical health. Research has shown that mindfulness can reduce stress and anxiety, improve focus and attention, and enhance emotional well-being. In terms of mental health, mindfulness has been shown to reduce depression and anxiety, and to improve cognitive function, including memory and attention. This is due in part to the way mindfulness affects the brain, by reducing activity in the amygdala, a region of the brain associated with stress and anxiety, and increasing activity in the prefrontal cortex, a region of the brain associated with executive function and decision-making. In terms of physical health, mindfulness has been shown to lower blood pressure, improve immune function, and reduce inflammation. This is due in part to the impact of mindfulness on the stress response, which is known to have a profound impact on physical health. The science behind mindfulness is fascinating, and it sheds light on the neural mechanisms underlying this powerful practice. At its core, mindfulness is a form of mental training, and like any form of training, it has the ability to change the structure and function of the brain. Research has shown that mindfulness can increase the thickness of the prefrontal cortex, a region of the brain associated with executive function and decision-making, and reduce the activity of the amygdala, a region of the brain associated with stress and anxiety. In terms of neural mechanisms, mindfulness has been shown to activate the default mode network, a network of brain regions that becomes active when the mind is at rest, and to deactivate the salience network, a network of brain regions that becomes active in response to external stimuli. This shift in brain activity is thought to be responsible for the many benefits of mindfulness, including reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and attention, and enhanced emotional well-being. One of the key components of mindfulness is attention, and it plays a crucial role in the practice and its benefits. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment with an attitude of openness and non-judgment, and this focus of attention can have a powerful impact on mental and physical health. Research has shown that mindfulness can improve attentional control, which refers to the ability to direct and sustain attention in the face of distractions. This is due in part to the way mindfulness affects the brain, by reducing activity in the salience network, a network of brain regions that becomes active in response to external stimuli, and increasing activity in the default mode network, a network of brain regions that becomes active when the mind is at rest. In addition to improving attentional control, mindfulness has also been shown to reduce distractibility, which refers to the tendency to be easily diverted by external stimuli. By training the mind to focus on the present moment, mindfulness can help reduce distractibility and improve focus and attention. Mindfulness has been shown to play a key role in emotion regulation, which refers to the ability to manage and regulate emotions in a healthy and adaptive way. By paying attention to the present moment with an attitude of openness and non-judgment, mindfulness can help individuals develop a greater awareness of their emotions, and it can help them respond to emotions in a healthier and more adaptive way. Research has shown that mindfulness can improve emotional well-being, and it can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. This is due in part to the way mindfulness affects the brain, by reducing activity in the amygdala, a region of the brain associated with stress and anxiety, and increasing activity in the prefrontal cortex, a region of the brain associated with executive function and decision-making. In addition to improving emotional well-being, mindfulness has also been shown to enhance emotional intelligence, which refers to the ability to recognize and understand emotions, and to use emotions to guide thought and behavior. By developing greater awareness of emotions, individuals can use this information to make more informed decisions, and they can respond to emotions in a healthier and more adaptive way. One of the key benefits of mindfulness is stress reduction, and it has been shown to have a profound impact on the stress response. The stress response is a complex physiological and psychological response to perceived threats, and it can have a negative impact on mental and physical health. Mindfulness has been shown to reduce the stress response by reducing activity in the amygdala, a region of the brain associated with stress and anxiety, and increasing activity in the prefrontal cortex, a region of the brain associated with executive function and decision-making. This shift in brain activity can help reduce the negative impact of stress on mental and physical health, and it can improve overall well-being. Research has shown that mindfulness can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and it can improve sleep quality, immune function, and cardiovascular health. These benefits are due in part to the way mindfulness affects the stress response, and they offer a powerful tool for stress reduction. Mindfulness and self-compassion are closely related, and they both involve paying attention to the present moment with an attitude of openness and non-judgment. While mindfulness involves focusing on the present moment without distraction or attachment, self-compassion involves treating oneself with kindness and understanding, even in the face of difficult emotions or experiences. Research has shown that mindfulness can help cultivate self-compassion, and that self-compassion can enhance the benefits of mindfulness. This is due in part to the way mindfulness and self-compassion both involve paying attention to the present moment, and they both help individuals develop a greater awareness of their thoughts, feelings, and sensations. In addition to cultivating self-compassion, mindfulness can also help foster self-acceptance, which refers to the ability to accept and embrace one's thoughts, feelings, and experiences, without judgment or resistance. By developing a greater awareness of their thoughts, feelings, and sensations, individuals can use this information to make more informed decisions, and they can respond to emotions in a healthier and more adaptive way. Mindfulness can be practiced in a variety of ways, and there are many different mindfulness practices to choose from. Some of the most popular mindfulness practices include mindfulness meditation, mindful breathing, body scanning, and mindful movement. Mindfulness meditation is one of the most common mindfulness practices, and it involves focusing on the present moment, usually by paying attention to the breath. This can be done seated, standing, or walking, and it can be done for any length of time, from a few minutes to an hour or more. Here's a demonstration of a basic mindfulness meditation. 1. Find a quiet and comfortable space, and sit or stand in a comfortable position. 2. Close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the breath moving in and out of your body. 3. When you notice that your mind has wandered, simply acknowledge the thought and return your focus to your breath. 4. Continue to focus on your breath for several minutes, or for as long as you would like. 5. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, and take a moment to acknowledge your experience. One of the benefits of mindfulness is that it can be incorporated into daily life, and it can be practiced anywhere, at any time. Here are some tips for incorporating mindfulness into daily life. 1. Start small. Begin by practicing mindfulness for just a few minutes each day, and gradually increase the amount of time you spend practicing. 2. Make it a habit. Choose a regular time each day to practice mindfulness, and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. 3. Find what works for you. Experiment with different mindfulness practices, and find the one that works best for you. 4. Integrate mindfulness into daily activities. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily activities, such as walking, eating, or driving. 5. Be patient. Mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop, so be patient with yourself and your practice. Mindfulness can also be integrated into different settings and activities, such as the workplace, schools, and healthcare. For example, mindfulness can be incorporated into the workplace through mindfulness meditation breaks, mindful communication training, and stress management programs. In schools, mindfulness can be incorporated into the curriculum through mindfulness-based stress reduction programs, and in healthcare, mindfulness can be integrated into patient care through mindfulness-based therapies and stress management programs. In conclusion, mindfulness is a powerful tool for improving mental and physical health, and it has been shown to have a profound impact on the brain. By paying attention to the present moment with an attitude of openness and non-judgment, mindfulness can help individuals develop a greater awareness of their thoughts, feelings, and sensations, and it can help them regulate emotions and reduce stress. Additionally, mindfulness has been shown to improve attentional control, foster self-compassion and self-acceptance, and it can be easily incorporated into daily life. Whether you're looking to improve emotional well-being, reduce stress, or simply live a more mindful life, mindfulness is a valuable tool to explore. In conclusion, mindfulness is an important tool for overall well-being, and it is a powerful tool for improving mental and physical health. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, mindfulness offers a valuable opportunity to explore your mind, cultivate well-being, and live a more mindful life.